Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and I want to show you how to save thousands and thousands of dollars by doing your own DIY property dewatering system. So, in our bad seed, what is a bad seed? A bad seed is a commercial sump system. We have the 000's M98. We got a 2-pump system that we love because now you don't have to worry if one quits, which probably won't happen the way we build our stuff. So the contractors, they're pricing out, these indoor basins for the outdoor, with a cover that usually cracks when the lawnmower runs over it, and a 000's M98. So they give you a pump, very, I'm just going to say inexpensive basin. It's really intended for under the house in a crawl space where you pour concrete around it, or in the basement where you pour concrete around it, because the concrete goes in these grooves, okay? And it holds it, and it keeps its shape, and it gives it strength. So I'm not big on using these outdoors at all. But let's show you how to save thousands and thousands of dollars. So, there's drainage contractors. You can just, I use Chrome as my search engine. And there's a sample estimate from, well, this is getting kind of dated, so prices probably went up. But, at the time I made this video, it's 2001, and this estimate's from 2018. So to have a sump pump basin, and I got on their channel, and they just have oh man, they got tens, if not hundreds of videos showing, these indoor basins. They're $17 to $22, depending on where you buy them. So, okay. So, all right. So that basin, that cover, and that pump, and then it just plumbed and stubbed, ready to go. And they dig a hole and put gravel around it, it says. Okay, so that's $14.10. Now, these prices are old. So the discharge line, that's $1,560. Ooh. Okay, and then channel drains. Wow, they're really expensive on their channel drains. Yeah, this is a pretty lofty, but contractors, they got insurance. They're at least supposed to, and workman's comp and all that. It's a pretty small system. This example, everything's an example here, so it looks pretty small. There's just two catch basins, so 4 complete catch basins in the whole thing. Wow. No, I misspoke. I see a 5th one. So there's 5 catch basins in this example and 2 sump systems. And it says if you go with it all, they'll give you 10% off. So, it's only $11,500, so, it looks like a small system to me, but I'm going to just show you guys how you can save thousands, all right? So what we did, and it's because of all our subscribers asking for the exact same thing that we use, we built an online store for you guys. So we have this duplex system, or if you just want a single unit like that, it's not $1,400, but it's about $700. And, it's heavy duty culvert pipe, custom welded. It's got a nice sump viewer, so you don't have to pop the hood when you want to see what's going on in there. It's pretty nice. It's all stubbed out and, rocking the half-horse M98 Zoller. All right, so $11,500. So we have 2 choices on discharge lines. We got, our Econ, which is $150, and then our Premium, which is $170. And it's worth the $20, people. This stuff is really, really easy to work with. Just beautiful to work with. You don't need any glue. You don't need any fittings. It's seamless. Schedule 40. Pretty sweet, huh? 50-foot lengths for a 50-foot run. So say you buy 2 of these. You get our duplex model, so you get 2 of the M98 Zollers instead of 2 of these, $17 basins there. You're going to get, God, this thing, you could drive over it with whatever you want. It's made to be driven over by real heavy duty trucks. So let me see, just for round numbers here. I mean, you're looking at, about $1,700 to do this yourself. And, then there's, some additional costs associated. Yeah, there's some French drain there. Well, you know what I would do? I would buy the high octane, because this is made for yard drains. You see the big inlets? I would buy that. I would put, a couple high octanes in for my French drain. And a DIYer doesn't have to go as deep as the commercial contractor. If you dig, 12 inches, that's enough. And then get your, do a double barrel, run 2 pipes. That's going to be a heck of a French drain. If you want catch basins, go ahead and you can run one like this, one high octane, and then run the catch basins on the knife cut high octane. So that's the high octane 8 slot. Look at that, 17 inches, man, square. 17 and a half square inches per linear foot of inlet. It's just freaking sick. So then you put your basins on this knife cut. And why I'm going to recommend that is you're taking in the water really quick through the basins. The knife cut won't let debris into your French drain system. It won't end up in the stone, you see? But when the storm is over, there won't be water laying in the knife cut either. It'll just leach out into your French drain system. So these are all the tricks, of the trade, and I just wanted to share them with you guys. But, run an 8 slot high octane with a knife cut high octane with catch basins. That way you're not treating your French drain like a garbage disposal. And to each their own. I don't really care for this. I mean, it's, but I'd much rather see you guys do what we do as licensed builders. And that's a patented unit too, by the way. So you won't find anybody else building them and selling them but us. All right, everybody. Until the next video.